Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Mars Hydro. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I have been using the Mars Hydro products for almost a year, give or take, maybe a little bit longer. The company recently reached out to me and asked me to do a review of their new humidifier. So out of the box, well, first let's open the box. Okay, out of the box, this is what we have. Make sure I take all the protection off. This is the probe temperature sensor that I will be putting inside the grow tent, and it will determine whether or not the humidifier needs to be activated. I'll show you that when we put everything together. So out of the box, you have a remote. So we'll place that here. We also have a user manual. We'll place that here and open it up. We have a flexible telescopic hose. We have the wired sensor probe. We have actually two telescopic hoses here, and we have one long flexible hose here. And we also have a three-way nozzle. We have Velcro straps to hold up everything. We have cleaning tool to clean, and we also have 3M tape. So what I'm going to do is set this up outside the grow tent, and I'm going to run the hoses into the grow tent so that the humidifier will keep my plants growing inside moist and keep the atmosphere moist and help the plants inside. But before we do that, we're going to discuss this. We're going to fill the water tank, and here is the water tank here. It contains it can contain 5 liters of water. So we're going to go ahead and get some purified water and put it in here, and we'll be right back. Okay, now that we have this filled completely, I'm going to place the cover back on. I'm going to take one of the flexible hoses and connect it here. Then I'm going to take the other hose and connect it together here. Now, next, what we're going to do is to expand this. I probably should get close to the... Okay, we now have the cord, flexible cord, connected going into the grow house. And we have the automatic sensor here, probe, going from the humidifier into the grow tent. And we have everything plugged in. Now, on the inside, those of you that have been on my channel before have seen this before. We have the T3000 here on light. We have a couple plants. These are moringa plants here. We have a fan that blows air back and forth. We have a filter, and we have a exhaust fan. And then here we have the rest of the tubing from the humidifier running in with 2 openings, one to the left and one to the right. Here's the remote that came with the humidifier, and we're going to turn it on. And it shows me the temperature at 80 degrees and the humidity at 49 degrees. I can manually do it on the machine by turning it on off by pressing here. I can program it to come on for how many hours or whatever I want by pressing here. Here we can change the mist pattern. And then here's the actual humidity. Right now it goes from 35% to 95%. And I'm going to go back to what it was, which is 80%, 80 degrees and 50% humidity. We also have a remote where I can do everything manually with it. So if we look inside, you should be able to see humidity coming out here. And this will keep my plants from drying out from up underneath the lights, and also provide a little bit of moisture. Okay, on the remote, you have the on-off. Press it once, it turns it on. Press it again, turns it off. You can put it in sleep mode by pressing for 3 seconds. And it also comes with a memory function. The mist button, if you press it once, it does 1.5 liters of misting per hour. Press it again. I'm sorry, it does 0.15 liters. Press it again for level 2, it is 0.34. Press it again for level 3, it is 0.47. And press it again for level 4, it is 0.58. You can set the timer by pressing the timer button, and you can set it anywhere from 1 to 12 hours. To exit the timer, you press the button and hold it for 3 seconds, and it goes off. For humidity, you have 14 levels ranging from 35% to 95%. If you press the humidity button, it will flash, and if you keep pressing it, it goes up. The resting screen is on the remote, looks like a light, and if you press it, it dims it. Press it again, it turns it on. So if you would be interested in purchasing one of these, I'll leave the link code and the coupon code in the description portion of the vehicle, in the description portion of the video, and also in the comment section. Overall, I think it's going to be a pretty useful piece of equipment to go along with the grow tent that I have. So as I said, I think it's going to be real good to use. It's easy to adjust. It automatically adjusts the output based upon the humidity in the tent to maintain the best conditions for the plant. And I think that's very good. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like bell and the notification button also. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my video, your friends and family will as well.